Hi, my name is Chris Horton and we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and today I'm going to show you a 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX. I'm standing in the bow of the 250 SDX. One of the nice things about it is it also has a bow ladder, so if you want to run up onto the beach or one of the islands around here, you don't have to get in the water, you can just crawl up front. Lots of seating up front here, place for a cooler, lots of cup holders. It's got the Fusion speakers. One of the nice things about this boat is if you want to get out of the weather, you actually have a place to go. Underneath of that cushion is a head, and this cushion will snap and then stay in place. But it's got a window up front that lets air in there, so if you've got, say you got little kids that can't be out on the water all day, so they've got a good place for them to lay down and take a little nap. This boat has a 12-inch Simrad chart plotter GPS, also has all your gauges. You've got a Fusion stereo system, digital throttle, bolster seat. So you can also move this back, so you've got all this room to lay. You have all the seating up here. With all this seating inside, you've got lots of room. One of the nicest things about this boat though, watch this. Lean that back. You've got all this area back here. You've got a cooler right at your feet. You've got speakers facing aft. But when you're stopped at, say, Crab Island or out there just hanging out, you've got this huge entertainment area with a stereo remote right there. Freshwater shower, powered by the new Mercury 300. And to check the oil, you don't even have to take the cowling off. If you'd like to know more information about this boat, call me at 850-974-6032. That's the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax.